Paano mag-withdraw ng commissions sa Salveoworld? Coming right up! Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng affordable and hassle-free online business? If yes, you can start by liking us on Facebook, or kung sa YouTube mo ito pinapanood, pwede kang mag-subscribe and i-click mo yung bell notification so you won't miss anything regarding Salveoworld Enegosyo, ang online negosyo na pambahay made easy talaga. This is Coach Allen De Leon, and in this video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-withdraw ng iyong commission sa Salveoworld account mo or dashboard mo. So if you're ready, let's head over sa aking computer screen. Come on, let's go! Okay, nandito na tayo sa computer screen ko. Okay, so very exciting itong video tutorial na to. So the first thing that you do is to go to Salveoworld website. Log in by providing your username and your password. So login na tayo. Okay, then let's proceed dito sa dashboard. Click mo lang tong dashboard. Okay, so dito sa menu, you have dashboard, e-wallet, e-cash, e-codes, orders, referrals, etc. So dito tayo sa e-cash. Remember, itong e-cash, dyan pumapasok ang iyong commissions sa Salveoworld. So click natin. Okay, let's scroll down. So, ang available e-cash natin is 20,650. Wow, mayroon tayong commissions. Okay, so ang gagawin mo is click mo tong withdrawal and transfer. Click natin. Okay, so ito yung available e-cash, and then ito yung requested amount. So, all you have to do is to just type 20,650. Hindi mo kailangan maglagay ng special characters like comma, peso sign, dollar sign, or period. So, diretso lang, 20650. And then, dito sa encashment type, there are three actually, immediate, regular, and express. But for this video tutorial, i-click natin ang regular. Yan. Okay, once i-click mo yung regular, then magpa-pop up itong mode of payment. So, click natin. You have China Bank, check via pick-up or mail, pwede rin sa ATM, pwede rin remittance, pero dito sa video tutorial, bank deposit ang ating gagamitin, which is BDO. Okay, click natin yung BDO. Sa previous video na ginawa ko, in-input ko yung BDO savings account ko, so meron na akong record dito. Now, before we click yung transaction pin, papakita ko lang dito sa right side, yung gross amount of course is 20,650. May less tax yan of 8%, which is 1,652. So net of tax is 18,998. And processing fee is 25 pesos. And transaction charge, I think sa BDO ito, 50 pesos. So, ang total payout is 18,923. Okay? So ngayon, dito tayo ngayon sa transaction pin. Ang transaction pin is a security pin which is separate. Iba yung yung login pin mo, iba yon. So iba rin yung transaction pin mo. Ang purpose is that, halimbawa, merong nakapagbukas ng account mo sa Salveoworld, sa dashboard mo, hindi lang mawi-withdraw yung iyong commissions because meron kang separate security pin which is itong transaction pin. So let me input my transaction pin. There you go. So dapat ikaw lang nakakaalam niyang transaction pin mo. Okay? So click mo lang itong submit. Click natin yung submit. Alert! Request has been successfully submitted. So okay na yun. So I guess we're okay. Take note lang na ang pag-request ng commission is every Monday and Tuesday hanggang 11:59 AM. Now, pag nagawa mo yan, then definitely pagdating ng Friday, you will receive your commissions. Okay? Okay, now, nung kinlik ko tong withdrawal transfer, nag-refresh na yung page. As you can see, yung available e-cash natin is 0 na kasi ni-request na natin. So, saan ko makikita na nagawa ko talaga na na-request yung commissions ko? So, mag-scroll down ka lang. When you scroll down, ayan, makikita mo dito. Date and time, type of encashment, which is regular. So yung net amount is 18,923. Ito yung gross amount. And then of course, not yet found, pending, kasi ngayon pa lang natin i-release. Now, pagdating ng Friday, makikita natin na marirelease na ito.
3 days later.
After 3 days, Friday na ngayon, so i-check na natin kung nandyan na yung commissions. Okay? So sige, tingnan natin yung computer screen ko. Okay, here we are. As you can remember, ito yung date, and then ito yung type of encashment, regular. So ito yung amount, 18,923 kasi nga nabawasan na because of the taxes at saka yung mga bank charges. Ito yung gross amount, 20,650. Ito yung reference number, and then mapapansin nyo sa bank receipt, nung una parang color dark gray yan at nakalagay not found. Pero ngayon, kulay blue na. And then the status is approved. Wow! So sige, click natin. Aha! There you go. Ito na yung pinaka-receipt. Nice! So, ibig sabihin, pumasok na yung commissions. Yay! So, kailangan ko na pumunta ng bangko para i-withdraw ang aking commissions. Anyway, so, ganyan mag-withdraw ng iyong commissions sa Salveoworld. Okay, so don't forget to like us on Facebook or kung sa YouTube mo pinapanood to, subscribe and click the bell notification para lagi kang updated sa mga video episode na i-upload ko. Okay, so that's about it. So I'll see you on the next video. This is Coach Alan De Leon. God bless, guys. Bye-bye.